Bibi, kanta nga, Bi, kanta. Kasabayan mo yung ano ng agos ng tubig. Wow. Yep. All this water comes from the Sierra Nevadas that were it's a chain of mountains here in Spain that where Granada is really close by, and Alhambra was chosen because of the rich supply of water. And of course, the Moors or the Arabs or the Muslims, water has always been very important for them. So this was a very ideal place. Can you hear the water flow? Golly, that is so relaxing. It's beautiful. It's almost melodic. I'm gonna shut up. This is all still within the walled city of Alhambra. The landscape, the gardening, truly it's quite a paradise. No wonder King Ferdinand and Queen Isabella, who began the Spanish Empire, and actually they actually financed Columbus to sail for wherever he was supposed to go, and ended up in America. They liked this place so much after they drove the Moors out, so they stayed here and changed some of the Moorish architecture and added some Christian architecture. Wow, and that is the main entrance into the castle. Dibi, smile, Dibi. Smile, smile. Thank you.
Come on. I'm tired now. Grabe, ano dito ang pagbaba. Hindi na maganda kay Padre yung pagbaba. Pag-akit na
Now we're walking back to the hotel. It's about, I don't know how far it is, but this is now all outside the walls of the Alhambra, and obviously you can see a lot of souvenir shops and hotels and bars and tapas or tapas bar.